What we try to do here is provide an experience that helps them understand what all of the options are for them, right? Whether it's repairing it today, or whether it's looking at a replacement, or another alternative, wherever that might be. Listening to the customer and understanding ultimately what they use their phone for, and is the repair the best option for you? And if so, then we can start talking our options on repairs. So it's really creating more of an experience out of it, and not so much just a repair shop where the transaction takes place by here's your phone with your fixed screen. We offer protection plans as well, tempered glass, things that help prevent it from happening in the future.